Hi, this is Attorney Mike Grevlin coming to you from Chicago as usual, except today I'm in my office instead of my condo, and I'm trying out the live stream down here. We'll see how this works. Can anybody hear me? I already have an objection. I love it. I'm on. All right. Well, this is kind of fun today. I'm gonna take a look at a DUI clip. This is the first time I've done that. I mean, I've looked at DUI clips, but I've never done it. And I first want to give a little warning on this. I do not do criminal defense. I'm not a DUI attorney. I've never gotten a DUI. I've never been field sobriety tested. I did have a couple as a prosecutor that I was working towards trial, so I have some knowledge of it, but both of those pled out. So I never even tried a DUI case. They can get really complicated, but this is kind of a fun clip. I wanted to see what you guys thought of it, and it's just kind of interesting.
Monica, you haven't had any alcohol tonight? When was the last time you had a drink?
The last time I had a drink was yesterday.
Okay. Have you taken any prescription medication tonight?
Other than ibuprofen, no.
Okay. I wish I could change the weather for you, but I can't, okay?
Can I get a jacket? I have a jacket in my car.
Yeah, I'll have somebody grab it for you once she moves it off the line.
I did just watch this. It's 67 degrees. She keeps going on about how cold it is.
No, I totally appreciate what you guys are doing.
Thank you.
Totally.
746.
Can I get grab a jacket?
746, 10-4, did you have a 26?
Mary George Tom 098. Yeah, we're going to have somebody grab it for you, okay?
It's in my car.
Hey, Jason, can you tell them to grab the jacket out of the car?
No, it's in my trunk.
It's in the trunk.
Oh,
Hold on, no, stay over here. It's not that cold, okay?
It is cold.
It's not that cold. It's 67 degrees. It's in the trunk.
It's in the trunk.
Where are you coming from, you said?
So, my boyfriend and I got in a fight. So, I am coming home. Jacket!
Okay, right there. She's already looking buzzed. You know, where are you coming from? My boyfriend and I got in a fight. Too much information.
We're going to get you it, Mr. Chill.
Can I come get it?
No. You need to stay over here, okay?
Oh.
All right. Well, let's just get this over with so that we can get through with it, okay? Do me a favor. Place your feet just like they are. Keep your arms at your sides like this for me, okay? I'm going to show you a light this time. I want you to follow this light right here. Do you see it?
Yes.
Eyes only. Don't move your head, okay? Do you understand? All right.
So wait, this light?
Yep, this one right here. And don't move your head. Just use your eyes.
Thank you, Nada.
Keep following it, okay?
Okay, this right here is what's called the horizontal gaze nystagmus test, and even I had to deal with this back in the day. It's really accurate, and your eyes are supposed to follow. But when you're drunk, your eyes will do this. They'll jerk when you get towards the edges. The problem with it is that you get problems with admissibility because it has false positives. Some people have a condition where their eyes will do that when they're perfectly sober, so that's kind of an issue.
Don't move your head, okay? Okay, the light.
I can't really tell with this. That test to me, and I've never administered it. I've seen it, and I've seen videos of people who are clearly drunk, and she didn't look like that. Although I did see jerking of the eyes. So if I have some people from law enforcement, I'm sure people have administered a field sobriety test. That's kind of the whole video. It's not outrageous. She's kind of close. I'm guessing she probably is drunk, but she's not out of line. No, you're not.
7 degrees.
I know, but I'm so cold.
All right. Monica, do me a favor. Stand on the light. Face that way from me, okay? Right there. So this next test is a walking test. If you want to take your boots off, you can take them off. If you want to leave them on, you can leave them on. It's entirely up to you. All right. What would you like to do?
Well, my boots are soft, so
Yeah.
I think I'm going to leave them on.
That's totally fine. I'm just giving you the option. Do you have any problems with your balance or walking or anything like that? Do you have any medical?
No, other than the fact that I'm cold.
Okay. Well, they said there's no jacket in there, so I can't.
There is a jacket in there.
Well, they said that there's not, so I can't go search your car right now, okay? So let's just get through this and we'll get you a jacket. All right. So no issues with your balance, no medical problems? Is that right? You're just cold?
I'm just cold.
All right. So do me a favor. Put your left foot on an imaginary line in front of you. So what I want you to do is imagine that there's a solid straight line right here in front of you just like that, okay? Now I want you to put your left foot on that line. Now put your right foot in front of your left foot with your heels and toes touching each other. Arms out at your sides like this and stay in that position, okay? Don't move from there. Don't start the test yet. When I tell you to begin, I want you to take 9 heel-to-toe steps along that imaginary line in front of you. 9 steps, heel-to-toe.
9 steps. Okay.
Once you get, hold on, don't start yet.
I don't know. Like I listen to these instructions, and I have not had a thing to drink. I'm not sure I would pass this test, and I am sober as a man could be right now. But that's me.
I'm sorry. Once you get to your 9th step, I want you to keep your front foot on the ground, and then take a series of small, short steps with your back foot.
Seriously, I know there's a jacket in my car.
Okay, your car's not there anymore. The car's in the parking lot, and it's 67 degrees. It's not that cold.
But I'm cold.
I understand that you're cold, but it's relatively not too bad, okay? Now, let me finish the instructions, okay? Once you get to your 9th step, keep your front foot on the ground, and then use your back foot to take a series of small, short steps and turn around. Okay? You got that part?
Yeah, so 9 steps
Yep.
and then back.
Yep, and then once you take that turn, hold on, don't start yet. Once you turn, you'll take another 9 heel-to-toe steps back along that same line, counting each step out loud, okay? I'm going to demonstrate it for you. It's going to look like this, okay? Your feet are going to be in this position just like this. You're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps, counting each step out loud. 1, 2, 3, all the way to 9, okay? Once you get to your 9th step, you're going to keep your front foot on the ground just like I'm doing, okay? You're going to take your back foot, and take a series of small, short steps like this, turning around, keeping that front foot on the ground, okay? Once you turn around, then you'll take another 9 steps heel-to-toe. 1, 2.
I mean, this is complicated.
3, just like that. All the way until you get to 9. Don't stop the test until you finish it, okay?
Okay.
Do you understand all the instructions?
So I'm supposed to start like this or like this?
Go ahead and keep your feet back in that position. So place your right foot in front of your left foot. All right, now, the first step that you take is your number 1 step, okay? Do you understand?
So 1.
Okay, think you understand.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9.
Okay. The next test is a standing test, okay? So stand like this with your feet together.
I mean, what do you think?
Yeah, we're gonna.
Is she drunk or not? I mean, she stumbled slightly. The horizontal gaze and nystagmus test. I mean, again, I'm not a professional in this, but I look at this and think, yeah, I don't know. It's close. I don't think I could do that in cowboy boots right now. I don't think I could.
Okay. The next test is a standing test, okay? So stand like this with your feet together, okay? Arms on your sides. Stay like that, okay? When I tell you to begin, you're going to raise the leg of your choice 6 inches off the ground, okay? That's about the size of a can of soda. Once you raise that leg of your choice, it doesn't matter which leg it is, you pick the leg. You're going to look down at the foot that you raise, and you're going to count out loud like this: 1001, 1002, 1003, until I tell you to stop, okay? So this is what it's going to look like. Your arms are down at your sides like this. Feet are together. You raise the leg of your choice. It doesn't matter which leg you choose. 6 inches off the ground, okay? Keeping your foot parallel to the ground, just like this. Notice how my foot is straight, my leg is straight. Look down at the foot that you raise and count out loud 1001, 1002, 1003. And you're going to do that until I tell you to stop, okay? Keep your arms at your sides the entire time, okay? Make sure that you look down at the foot that you raised while you're counting the entire time, okay? Do you understand the instructions?
So, I'm supposed to count 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004.
Until I tell you to stop. Hold on, don't start yet. I didn't say start yet. Do you understand all the instructions?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any questions?
I'm just cold.
I get it. I wish I could make things different for you, but I can't change the weather. Do you understand the instructions?
Okay. I'm supposed to count until you tell me to stop.
Correct, yes.
So when do you say start?
Do you understand the test?
Yes.
All right, whenever you're ready.
Thank you, Ms. Queen. That is very generous.
27-6 license plate.
You can stop.
925
Okay, my law enforcement people. She was counting. She was doing fine. She had her foot up, but she stopped saying 1,000 afterwards, and I'm sure that's not the instructions. Is that? I mean, is that a fail? You tell me.
It's really not that cold. It's almost 70 degrees. I understand that you have a... I'm not fully clothed. I'm wearing short sleeves. But I understand I'm not wearing a dress, okay? Do you have... What level of education do you have? I'm sorry to ask you that. I know it's personal, but...
I have a high school diploma plus a real estate license.
Okay.
Plus I'm a state rep.
Oh, good. So you...
I give her a lot of credit there. She's a state rep. She does not mention it till this moment. And she doesn't try to leverage it or act like she's a big deal. She doesn't pull the routine of that other guy who's in Arizona. I think this is New Mexico.
You can count backwards, I'm assuming, and you know your alphabet?
Yes.
Okay. Can you count backwards from 47 to 32 for me, please, out loud?
47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13.
Thank you, Wally man.
12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right. And can you recite your alphabet starting with F, ending with R? F to R. Out loud, please.
F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Well, she does blow by ours.
Do you have anything in your mouth? Like gum or tobacco or anything like that?
No.
Can I see? Can you lift your tongue? Thank you. So the test...
Well, that was fun. She did not appear overwhelmingly drunk to me. I'd be curious to know what you guys think. I specifically did not look it up. I mean, there probably is. I'm sure this is old, and there's a disposition on the case, so we know whether or not she got convicted or pled on a DUI charge or even got arrested for it. But my guess is she's drunk, but she's not overwhelmingly so. I think she did a pretty good job. I'd be curious. Tell me in the comments. I'd be curious as to whether or not you think she's drunk. If you already know that's fine too. I mean, this is like old. We're not spoiling anything for anybody. But I looked at it and think it's not overwhelming. She's had some. But if she took a breathalyzer right now, what do you think that is? What do you think that reading is? That's my question. Anyway, this was a lot of fun. I hope you guys can hear me. I was just testing this out. It's if you're a regular around here, you know I just got the software. I tried it up there. My power was out up there today, so I'm down at my office working, and I just wanted to see if I could do a live stream from here. And I had a lot of fun with that. And I haven't done any DUI stuff before, but that was kind of fun. I've seen a few other clips that look pretty interesting. I might do. Thanks all for coming by, and I will talk to you later.